Alright, this video is to help you figure out how to operate the stereo if you need to. This is the TiVo remote, and you can determine that by looking at this little silver button with a little TiVo icon on it. Anyway, usually you might find it here on the couch or somewhere in here. Hopefully it's not hidden. Or possibly in the top drawer of this little cabinet. Not very likely nowadays, but that's where I usually store it. Anyway, there's the stereo. The black device in the bottom, and a bunch of gadgets, and then TiVo on the left, which is how the remote works to control the stereo and the television, believe it or not. So take the remote, hit the green button next to the TiVo button, and hit the power button, and you'll hear that click sound, and then you'll see the LED at the bottom of the stereo, bottom of the Samsung TV lights up, and you'll see a response, just like you saw as I was stepping up. And you see this is not a problem, just give it a moment. Stereo is black, and you see that the display actually just lit up with the volume indication. Give it another moment. You'll see TV cuts on with some video for a moment, with some audio, and then it cuts out again. Take the TiVo remote and use the input button right below the power button. Tap it once. You'll see this show up on the display. Now it's presently on HDMI 2, but what happened was the stereo down here is now indicating TV. And what you got to do is hit this input button again, and one more time up to TV, and then one final time back to HDMI 2. And once that happens, give it a few seconds. You hear audio first, then the video comes back. Now that you're in this situation, you can just use this TiVo remote to control the channel right here on this side, and the volume here, or, typical TV remote with the digits. If you want to pause the television so you can go to the bathroom for 30 minutes, why would you have to do that? I hope not. But you can do that. Go to the bathroom, get in a conversation or whatever, to pause live television and come back. And there we go. That's it.